Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I wanted to share this one because it's very high paying, and it has to do with making sure that customer service teams are running smoothly. It's requiring no college degree, and all you got to do is have some customer service experience. We're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. If you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and don't forget to share it with all your friends and family. Today's job lead is from the company Articulate or Articulate, however you would like to say that. They do have 161 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer success operations specialist. This is remote for the United States, but they're basically primarily looking for somebody to be responsible for supporting, evaluating, and optimizing their process tools, systems, and data input for their customer service team with the goal of increasing efficiency and maximizing their revenue that they bring in. This means you're going to support and execute on the processes and workflows that are driving those internal efficiencies, allowing the customer service team to deliver that great value to the customers. You're going to help execute and roll out processes, programs, and tools to improve the customer success team's effectiveness. So this means when you come up with new processes that the customer service team should follow, you're going to help roll them out to the team, making sure they're aware of them, making sure that they are trained and know what they're supposed to be doing. You'll also compile and distribute any ongoing reporting to the leaders. This means that you're going to have to work internally with other departments such as sales, finance, marketing, and IT teams just to make sure that the overall customer service team requirements and support are implemented and any solutions for any issues or a process is in place for those. Best part about this is that no college degree is needed, just 2 years of experience in customer service or a sales position. They kind of want somebody who has experience in a software as a service company, but they want somebody who understands those customer service best practices. You've got to be detail-oriented, self-motivated, and have a proactive mindset, so being like a problem solver. Now, they do want you to know how to use certain software and tools like Salesforce, Outreach, and Excel, but pay is anywhere from $59,100 a year all the way up to $88,700 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.